How to get receipt in Lyft. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get receipt in Lyft. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. However, I won't be able to show you specifically here because I don't have any Lyft history or ride history, and the point is that the Lyft itself is not launched in my region officially. So here I'll just be showing you the process. So you want to open up your Lyft app here and you want to log into your account. As you'll be logged into your account, of course, what you want to do is at the top left corner you'll find the three horizontal line icon. Simply tap on it and there you'll get your profile interface. Here you can see you want to tap on the third option. You want to there ride history. Simply tap on the third option, ride history, and once you do so, all your ride history will be here. Now to view or export ride receipts in your Lyft app, now what you want to do is here you'll find all your ride history. You want to type or ride that you want to view the receipt of. Now to export multiple ride receipts from your ride history, you can simply tap on export. That you'll find at the top right corner. So this way you can get receipt in Lyft. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.